In this video, we'll show how to rewrite the mixed radical as an entire radical. As you notice right here, we've got an index of 3. So what that means is when we want to rewrite it as an entire radical, we have to make sure that we keep our index of 3 on the outside. Right now, there's a 2 outside of the radicand. So what this means is I need to place 3 of them back inside the radicand in order to create 2 cubed. So from here, I just keep my index of 3 and I multiply each of my numbers. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 5 gives me the cube root of 40. So I've rewritten it as an entire radical. Now let's look at a number which has a negative outside. Right here, you'll notice that I've got a cube root again, and I have a negative sign outside. Now, it is possible to have an index of 3 and for you to have a radicand which can be negative. So when we look at proceeding to do this question, we want to see where that negative sign goes. So right here now, because my radicand is allowed to be a negative number, I'm going to place negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, which means negative 5 cubed, inside of my radicand, inside of my radical sign, sorry, and I'm going to multiply each of these numbers together. A negative times a negative times a negative will still be negative. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 times 3, which gives me negative 375. So I end up with the cube root of negative 375.